Hi, I'm Samantha Beal, and I'm the general manager here at the Mount Lemon Cookie Cabin. When I retired from firefighting, I came back to the cookie cabin and then took over as the general manager because my mom wanted to retire. All of our family works here, grandma works here. We have 3 generations working here. So my mom works here, I work here, and then my daughters and my nieces, my sister, and my son-in-law. Since it's a family-run restaurant, we also feel like the customers are our family too, and we treat them that way. We want to have a cozy, warm atmosphere. We have good, wholesome food. Everything's made from scratch. Tucson is a huge, diverse community, and we have cyclists that come up. We have hikers. We have dog lovers. We get people from all over the world, speak different languages, and there's a huge following in Tucson. Whenever you say, well, we're going to go to Mount Lemon, everyone asks, oh, you got to go to the cookie cabin. You're going, right? They love coming up during the summer when it's over 100 degrees and it's hot. They'll wait in line to get cookies and ice cream, and when it's freezing out and there's snow everywhere, they'll wait 2 hours for a hot cup of cocoa. Well, all the cookies are my mom's recipes from when we were kids. Right now we have our famous pumpkin nut cookie with our homemade cream cheese frosting that goes on it, and it's the bomb. People love that cookie. February we'll come out with our Valentine, our red velvet cookie, the chocolate chip cookie, the oatmeal raisin, our oatmeal butterscotch coconut, which is the Rachel cookie, our brownie cookie with the white chocolate. We also have our peanut butter cookie and our white chocolate macadamia. We've been here 28 years, and it's because it's family owned, family operated, and we care.